Hello, my name is Jack.
And I'm Jerry.
And this is our game, Planet Defender.
So first we have the title screen, Welcome to Planet Defender, also in Spanish. And we have a language select menu with the leftmost button here selecting for English, and then the right button here selecting for Spanish. For this demonstration, I'll just choose Spanish. And we have some backstory over here. Basically, we are defending our planet from an alien invasion, and we have to shoot them down. Okay, so here's the gameplay. Using the slide pod, we can move the spaceship, and using the left button over here, we can shoot. And we can also use the right button over here to pause. As you can see here, the gameplay has been totally paused, like the alien is not moving, the bullet is not moving, and also the slide pod would not, like we can't move the spaceship as well. If we press it again, gameplay resumes.
And I'll go talk some more about the mechanics and the requirements in our and the requirements met in our game. So as mentioned before, we have our two external buttons, one for shoot and one for play pause. We have our slide pod, and that will be sampled at every 33 milliseconds. And since we are moving it that fast, it is compliant with the Nyquist theorem. We have our three sprites. We have the gun, we have the bullet, and we have the alien. We actually have four total sounds. So one sound is the shoot sound, one sound is the alien killed sound, and the other sound is an explosion you hear when you lose a life. And we'll talk about the last sound in a little bit. And that is controlled with our 5-bit DAC. We also show a score and a number of lives. For each alien, you get 5 points. And if an alien passes your ship, you lose a life, and you have 3 lives total. We have 2 ISRs in our game. One ISR is our SysTick at highest priority, and that is called every 11 kilohertz to output to our DAC for sound. And we also have our timer G12 game engine interrupt at every 33 milliseconds, and that samples our ADC, checks our buttons, sets semaphores, and moves the sprites. However, we only output to the LCD in our main function. And finally, as mentioned before, we have both English and Spanish. And now we can show you what happens when you lose all your lives. Yeah, so there's a final sound, and we show the final score at the end. And that's our game.